Hello everyone, welcome again to Michelle 3D Limited. Michelle 3D Limited, it is our YouTube channel where we found different tutorial which taught about Archicad software. For the newcomer here, my name is Jean Felix. I beg you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to press to the notification bell so that you get a chance to get a notification when we are uploading a new video. Today's lesson is about some of the frequent questions about Archicad user interface. For example, you see here how our user interface look like. The user interface, Archicad user interface, it is this face which come first when you already launched your software. You see, we are using Archicad 29. Then, when we launch a new project, or we open the existing one, what appear is what you call Archicad user interface. Then, some of the frequent questions that appear is to miss some of the elements of the Archicad user interface. You see here, the toolbox is no longer appear. And also, you see the navigator, it doesn't appear. Then, when you go to design, and then you open, for example, wall tool, you see, you may go and draw a wall, but for this wall, which is being drawn, you see there are no different element about the wall tool. It means the info box about the wall tool doesn't appear. You see here also in the navigator, we do have the different information about our project, so that this is what we are going to look for this tutorial, which is named as some of the frequent questions appeared when you are opening Archicad user interface. Let us start our tutorial. For example, let us bring back the elements of toolbox. You will go here in window, here in menu bar, go in window and go here in palettes, and then you select what you call toolbox. Once we click on toolbox, it means here you see show main palettes only. Here you see this palettes which is called toolbox. When you click on this, it will appear where it should be located. For example, you see I click on the toolbox from the palettes, then you see here are the elements of toolbox. Then when I select a wall here on our floor plan, you see there are no information about info box. So what next? You have to open the elements of the info box so that when you activate any tool, you found those elements about the activated tool. For example, let us go here in window and select palettes, and then I open info box. You see here there are different settings in the info box which is relating about to wall. When I open column 2 here in info box, we will find different information about the column. For example, you see when I activate column tool, you see here there are different info about column. So here you may also turn back the elements of the navigator so that you found the project map, the view map, layout book, and the publisher set. How to do so? You will go here also in window, and then select palette, and then you click on navigator. Then the elements of navigator are appeared here. But here, for the elements of navigator also may be disappeared through this. Here you see, I may click. You see here, when I click to this pop-up here with three lines, there are some element of this box appeared here. You may hide navigator. You see the navigator disappeared. And also you may unhide them through when you click where you see show navigator to turn back your navigator on its location. Okay, you see how our ArchiCAD user interface look like is totally different from how we start. Those are the difference problem which can appear while you are opening your project, which may be new or existing according to the previous setting. Thank you for watching our video. If you found that is more helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and share to your friends. It will be better if we will be together in the next lesson. Thank you. God bless you.